things here.
First strokes of the day. Actually, one, yeah, that's good. Go for it. Daub, daub, daub. Okay, you're pressing a bit hard.
Okay. Now, do you want me to make it dirtier now?
Yep, make it dirtier. Yep, we're doing nice daubs. And we got lots of nice little puddles. Because we want puddles for our drips.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. You're getting your drips. First
Do I
drips
need
of
to
it.
put more water into it and go back? Not a there, but hold on. Make it happen. Tap, 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 tap.
Yeah.
Tap, tap, tap. The left hand can tap well.
Darker.
Darker. Okay. Whoop. Okay.
Darker. We're going to punch it. So we're thinking darker on the left side as we have our light source coming from the right. Now we're doing our shrubbery. With little daubs. Making it brighter. And then we might add some shadows on the left sides. So what's the new affirmation? I'm so happy and grateful.
I'm so happy and grateful to be able to do this.
So easily and gracefully.
So easily and gracefully.
Lovely.
Little bit that I have to give.
We're doing our striation lines, and they are closer together at the top of the monument and farther apart the closer we get to the bottom part of the monument. It's going straight down. I'll help you by holding this. Okay, go for it. Splatter away.
Oh, wrong finger. That's how you learn. Okay, got a big drop there.
It's okay.
No, Don't splatter. Let's try
Make
this one.
make the brush face the paper more. You've got it at an angle. There you go. There you go. There you go. Big blobs are okay. Okay, think about how much you want.
A
And
little more right.
a little bit more there, and then some into the red rocks, correct? There you go. A little bit more up there. If you want to get more paint, get more
This is
paint.
the hardest part. Trust me. Some right there.
Yeah, there you go. Nice, good splat. And nice streaks. You got some streaks.
I
Great.
like the streaks.
Yeah, put a little bit more there. Ah, she's got a UFO now.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, sure you are.
Oop, look at that one.
They're wonderful, whatever they are.
Can I pick that big fat one up?
No, leave it.
Signing my masterpiece here.
There we go.
The one I made with Sunshower. And the date is 5.
Just 0522 is good.
05/22. I got it right. Round rock. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.